If you're not using AI for these 7 things, you're literally wasting hours every single day. And the crazy part is, most people still have no idea these tools even exist or how powerful they really are. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 simple ways you can start using AI today to make your life easier, even if you've never used AI before. AI isn't just for programmers or tech experts anymore. Right now, students, business owners, and even complete beginners are using AI to save time, get work done faster, and even make money online. And today, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. No complicated tech talk, just practical things you can actually use immediately. Let's start with something everyone struggles with. Number 1, writing anything faster. Emails, assignments, messages, even business ideas. Instead of spending hours thinking about what to write, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to do it in seconds. Let me show you exactly how this works. Open ChatGPT, type, "Write a professional email requesting a job opportunity." And just like that, you get a full, well-written email in seconds. You can even say, "Make it more friendly, make it shorter, make it more professional," and it will adjust instantly. This alone can save you hours every week. But writing is just the beginning. Number 2, designing like a professional without any design skills. Most people think you need experience to create flyers, thumbnails, social media posts, but that's no longer true. With tools like Canva, AI can do most of the work for you. Just open Canva, click Magic Design or AI feature, type YouTube thumbnail about AI productivity. And just like that, you get multiple designs instantly. You can edit colors, text, and images with just a few clicks. This is perfect if you run a business, create content, or just want better looking visuals. Now, let's take it a step further. Number 3, editing videos automatically. Video editing used to be stressful and time consuming, but now apps like CapCut use AI to simplify everything. Just open CapCut, import a video, click Auto Captions, and it will show accurate subtitles of your video. It can generate captions automatically, cut unnecessary parts, even suggest edits. So even if you've never edited a video before, you can still create content. But what if you want to create something from nothing? Number 4, turning your ideas into images. With AI tools like DALL-E, you can create images just by describing them. Open DALL-E, type, "Create a YouTube thumbnail showing a shocked person surrounded by AI tools." And in seconds, you get unique visuals. This is powerful for content creators, business branding, social media. But AI isn't just for creating. It can also help you stay organized. Number 5, organizing your life. If you struggle with planning, staying productive, managing tasks, AI can help. Tools like Notion AI can organize your entire day. Open Notion AI, type "Create a weekly productivity plan." You get structured plans, task breakdowns, clear schedules. It's like having a personal assistant. Now this next one is something a lot of people overlook. Number 6, learning faster. Instead of struggling to understand something, you can ask AI to explain it in a simple way. Open an AI tool like ChatGPT. Type, "Explain photosynthesis like I'm 10 years old." You can learn school topics, business skills, new ideas in a way that actually makes sense to you. This is especially powerful for students. And finally, the one everyone cares about. Number 7, making money with AI. This is where things get really interesting. People are using AI to create content, offer freelance services, start online businesses. even without experience. For example, writing services, social media management, video creation. And the best part? You don't need to start perfect. You just need to start. The truth is, AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing people who don't use AI. So instead of being left behind, start small. Pick just one thing from this video and try it today. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe because I'll be breaking down more simple ways to use AI to improve your life. And I want to know, which of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.